Hi there, my name is Jamie Stevenson. This is my wife,
Marilyn.
We have two girls at Acton. Addie is 13 and Evie is 9. And this is our second year, just started our second year. It's been great, we've really loved it. The experience, some of the things that are just different than we've experienced at public school and some other private schools. And we just want to talk about some differences with that. One thing for me, the servant leadership opportunities. For such a young age to be able to begin to learn servant leadership, to practice. So not just learn, but really be able to practice those things, and the opportunities to fail and to fail cheaply is how Acton really puts it. And so what an opportunity to be so young and learn that failing is okay. Because so many times, I know for us personally, this being afraid to fail sometimes holds us back. And so we're pretty excited that our kids are having a different experience and a different opportunity with that.
That's good. Also, a big thing for me is that they get to really work on and pursue passions that they have now, rather than following a set curriculum and then finally when they graduate high school, get an opportunity to pick their passion in college. They start out the gate in their Launchpad, which is the high school, to get internships and to work, to make their own resumes and go out and really start to just build interest and decide what they really love. Even last semester, for all ages, they got to focus a session all about what they were really interested in. And build a whole kind of group project on that. So it was really fun.
Awesome. Another one that we've seen is they do a lot with entrepreneurship. There's usually a session each year that they talk about that, and then they have the business fair that the kids can start, have their own business and sell their own products, things they've maybe have made, something like that. And so as a business owner myself, that's been something I really love. Even if they don't become entrepreneurs or business owners in the future, I think the opportunity to take ownership and to take responsibility and be accountable for their choices, for the tasks they've been given, I think is great life skills to be able to have. So we've been really excited about those opportunities as well.
Right. And then really for our older one, as we all know, friends are such a big deal at this age. The whole social dynamic of how phones have changed everything with social media and cyberbullying and all these things are obviously concerns that we had when considering putting her in public middle school. Acton's stance has been that they encourage them to work through any interpersonal conflict. They have something called the peace table, which we did. Our daughter went to a couple times last year, but basically it's just, hey, if you have drama, we're gonna work it out like mature people. We're gonna sit down face to face, we're gonna have a conversation, and we're gonna deal with it. And we're gonna learn how to deal with it now, instead of having some cyberbullying thread that goes on all year long, and then we have major, a major crisis from not being able to confront some of these things head on. So we've really loved, their stance at handling it. So
yeah. So our encouragement, if you're interested in Acton at all and take some next steps, read the Courage to Grow book, maybe schedule a discovery night. Those are steps that we took. Reading the book was a big deal for us. It just kind of opened our eyes to something different. Some things that we maybe knew we wanted but didn't know how to put in words. And the book really helped with that. And the discovery night was great, just to go in and be able to see just a small glimpse at what they do. And Zach and Heidi did a great job of just introducing who Acton is and how they operate. So we encourage you, try it out. Look into some opportunities to see, learn a little more. And maybe it's for you, maybe it's not. It's, we're all on our own journey. So thank you.
Thank you for your time.